Hi guys, currently pre-market, almost market open. These are London lows right here that we are marked out. SP500 or ES already took London lows. So we took that SMT now. I'm actually pretty bullish today, but it seems like we're gonna be rebalanced today. I do really want do longs. I was looking for shorts here because I want to take a trade to this data lows, which were the unemployment claims low. Taking shorts here is just so choppy, but this what was my ideology earlier. Enter here, stopped above this highs. Hi guys, I took this trade on ES because we had an BPR to the downside and change of state, inverse value gap, and we're just overall bearish on the higher time frame because we just disrespect all of these gaps. It might go lower, but it will also respect the consequent encroachment of this 4-hour gap. Order flow right now because we're pretty bearish. We definitely crushed down a lot lower, but I just see that this consequent encroachment of this gap just held, and yeah, this is a very low street. I love trading BPRs, you know that, but I'm anticipating this BPR to hold. This is not that high of a quality trade, but it's like a type of trade that I just have to take. As long as we break this low, I'm gonna be putting my stops to break even, like break all of these lows. I'm just gonna put my stops to break even right now. It's a risk-free trade. It's a lower quality trade. I'm not really liking the conditions. I'm just aiming like a 1:1 type of trade. Basically just took profit on those lows. See if we can get it. We're rejecting. Just kidding. Yeah, nice trade there, guys. Whoa. Cannot reverse on me like that. Bruh. I got edged. I'm taking out. I got edge. Mad edge, bruh. Seriously. Take profit is there. We got mad edge, guys. I took my contract out. Should be up there 0.5%. This is a 1-hour trade, but I'm taking this. It's a very low risk, guys. Extremely low risk. Actually, here we did take take profit over here. But yeah, this was my trade. So 1:1 RR. You got edged there by a broker, bro. So yeah, guys, I got 1 RR there. Yeah, I just closed because, bro, I got mad edge, but yeah, I still did hit, I think, or we're gonna get edged twice. Are we gonna get edged twice? No, okay, there you go. So we did hit take profit there. This is extremely low risk trade. I was risking 0.5%. Oh, and gained 0.5% on that as well. I just took my trade out just for like a single tick. That won't really matter as much. And let's see if we can have longs. Because one thing's for sure, I want longs. That's what I really want to take today. We missed our entry here, guys, but gonna be waiting for a retrace if we can have some. If this close bullish, I'll enter. If it go close above this high, it's really not closing above this high. I think the draw right now is gonna be higher. It's looking pretty choppy. Just low-key lacks conviction on that end, but I think the draw is higher. But basically we had an SMT. I was planning to enter when we get the inverse here. We just failed to inverse by a tad bit. I think it's gonna go higher, but if we actually had this inverse, I was so clear to long here. As long as we get this inverse here, stops underneath these lows, just aim for internal range. We're just lacking so much displacement there, and I would just want a fluent move on that inverse, but we didn't. Yeah, this is gonna be like my forward test. I really want to take my entry over here if we just have the inverse. If we fail to do so, I'm just planning to take profit at this highs, but it was just too choppy for me. SP500's price action is actually better. This is the first percentage for value. I would have looked here at the SP or ES. Has a much better displacement. Yeah, that's pretty much it. My trade today, guys. I actually mentioned it. If we inverse this gap on this candle right here, I'm going in. We failed it, and then I was like, okay, at least this next candle get a change in state. I'm entering. It didn't, and for me, it's not really the best ratio in RR, right? Not the best. unless I'm gonna put my stuff like underneath this low, which I wouldn't, you know that. Pretty much like pretty low day as well. Not the best trading conditions for now. That's why I'm de-risking. I'm gonna definitely size a lot more next week depending on the price action, but this is our P&L for the day. Currently P&L for the week. I found this video beneficial and valuable. Is a reminder to just follow your rules, follow your strategy. If your model presents itself, just take it. Don't hesitate. Here I was willing, but everything I'm calling out something is just lax. Failed to inverse this gap, failed to have the change in state, and this is just so far away from for the price that I want to. So if I weren't looking at NASDAQ and tried to find a trade on ES, it's actually better here because we had here the first percentage for value gap to get inverse on this one, and yeah, this was a much better trade if I was looking here, but I wasn't. Yeah, that looks good right here. Take profit just at this size. Yeah, that's gonna be all for today. Peace out.